Today we're going to be changing the oil on a Suzuki DF50. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the cowl. On the side of the block here we have the oil filter. Here are your anodes, but we're not going to need to change those yet. Today we're just doing the 20-hour service, which will just be an oil change and the lower unit. Okay, you're going to see an 8mm hex socket. We're going to go ahead and loosen that up. We're going to get a little bit of oil drainage, but we're going to clean that up. EPA didn't see that. While that's draining, you're going to want to go ahead and on the oil drain socket, you're going to want to change that washer. Once you get the oil out, you're going to put your new washer on there. Go ahead and screw that back in. Don't worry about the oil, we're going to clean it up. Okay, I like to hand tighten them and then put the wrench on them. I just don't like to cross thread them. It's an expensive fix. Go ahead and get that snug. Okay, next we're going to take off the oil filter. I like to put a rag in there just in case anything leaks out, which there is as soon as you get a little bit off. Go ahead and make sure you clean all that up. Just put a little bit of oil on your finger. You just want to rub that on that O-ring to get a nice lubricated seal. You don't need to be Superman, just Batman. Okay. Now I'll put half a quart in and we'll check it after that. Oil dipstick located over here on the side. Give it a little wipe. If you look, we're right there between the lines, right there where we want to be. Put the oil cap back on. Next, we're going to be doing the lower unit. We have a screw here, and we have a screw down here. What we're going to do is we take a screwdriver, flathead. It's best if you have one of the ones with the wider angle. This definitely helps a lot better. Loosen that up. And we're going to loosen that one up. I'm going to let that just run out. And if you notice, you'll have a gasket on here. We're going to want to change that at the top and the bottom gasket. Take them both out. Okay, that'll help her run out a little faster and get that air into it. Going to be using Suzuki X-Star gear oil 90 weight. I've got it hooked up to the lower unit port, and we're going to just pump her till it starts coming out the top. There she goes, starting to come out. So now we're going to put the top fill plug in. Once again, finger tight until we get to this part. Because of my oily hands, I'm going to give it a little help with a wrench. Okay. Alright. Everything's good and tight. And that's how you change the oil on a Suzuki DF50. Thanks for watching.